Opurity Multivitamin is a medication that serves as a multivitamin and iron product. It is used to treat or prevent vitamin deficiency caused by a poor diet, certain illnesses, or during pregnancy. Vitamins and iron are important for the body and help maintain good health. It is recommended to take this medication as directed by your doctor, usually once daily with or without food. It is best to take it at the same time each day to help you remember. This medication is most effective when taken at a consistent time each day. When taking Opurity Multivitamin, it's best to chew the medication thoroughly and swallow it once daily as directed. Follow the directions on the product package or as directed by your doctor, and never exceed the recommended dosage. If you have any questions, be sure to ask your doctor or pharmacist. For best results, take this medication on an empty stomach, about 1 hour before or 2 hours after meals. If you experience stomach upset, you can take this medication with food. It's important to avoid antacids, dairy products, tea, or coffee within 2 hours before or after taking this medication, as they can decrease its effectiveness. It's important to take this medication regularly to receive the most benefit from it. To help you remember, take it at the same time each day. Some common side effects of Opurity Multivitamin may include constipation, diarrhea, or upset stomach. These effects are usually temporary and may go away as your body gets used to the medication. If these effects persist or worsen, it's important to consult your doctor or pharmacist. It's also important to note that iron in the multivitamin may cause your stools to turn black, which is not harmful. If your doctor has prescribed this medication, they have determined that the benefits outweigh the potential risks of side effects. Many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. While a severe allergic reaction to this drug is rare, it's crucial to seek medical help immediately if you notice symptoms such as rash, itching/swelling, especially of the face/tongue/throat, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not an exhaustive list of possible side effects, so be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects not mentioned. If you are in the US, you can report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or online at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Opurity Multivitamin contains iron, which can be harmful if taken in large doses, especially for children under 6 years old. Be sure to keep this product out of reach of children at all times. If an accidental overdose does occur, it's important to seek medical help immediately or contact a poison control center. Before taking Opurity Multivitamin, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist about any allergies you may have to its ingredients, as this product may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions or other problems. It's also important to discuss your medical history with your doctor or pharmacist, especially if you have iron overload disorder, a history of alcohol use/abuse, liver problems, or stomach/intestinal problems. If your multivitamin contains folic acid, be sure to inform your doctor if you have a vitamin B12 deficiency before taking it, as folic acid may affect certain lab tests for vitamin B12 deficiency without treating the anemia. If you have phenylketonuria, PKU, or another condition that requires you to restrict your intake of aspartame, consult your doctor or pharmacist before using this medication, as it may contain aspartame. Before undergoing surgery, be sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, consult your doctor before using this medication. It's important to be aware of how Opurity Multivitamin may interact with other drugs. Some products that may interact with this drug are chloramphenicol and methyldopa. Additionally, this product can decrease the absorption of other drugs such as bisphosphonates, levodopa, penicillamine, quinolone antibiotics, thyroid medications, and tetracycline antibiotics. It's important to separate your doses of these medications as far as possible from your doses of Opurity Multivitamin. If your multivitamin also contains folic acid, be sure to tell your doctor or pharmacist if you take certain anti-seizure drugs. Always consult with your doctor or pharmacist before starting, stopping, or changing the dosage of any medicines. If you or someone you know has taken too much Opurity Multivitamin and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. In the U.S., you can call the local Poison Control Center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, you can get in touch with a provincial poison control center. Symptoms of an overdose may include stomach pain, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Always seek medical help if you suspect an overdose. As for the daily dosage, it is recommended to take 1 tablet of Opurity Multivitamin daily with a meal. This will help your body absorb the vitamins and minerals more effectively. Taking it with a meal can also help prevent any stomach discomfort. It's best to take Opurity Multivitamin at the same time each day to establish a routine. This could be in the morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on what works best for you. Just be consistent with the timing to ensure you're getting the most benefit from the supplement. Make sure to attend all your medical and lab appointments as scheduled. Opurity Multivitamin is not a replacement for a balanced diet. It's important to remember that the best way to get your vitamins and minerals is from healthy foods. Be sure to maintain a well-balanced diet and follow any dietary guidelines given to you by your doctor. If you are taking Opurity Multivitamin on a prescribed schedule and miss a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it is near the time of the next dose, skip the missed dose. Take your next dose at the regular time. Do not double the dose to catch up. It is recommended to store Opurity Multivitamin at room temperature, away from light and moisture. It should not be kept in the bathroom, and should be kept out of reach of children and pets. Do not flush the multivitamin down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. It is important to properly discard the product and it is expired or no longer needed. If you have any questions about how to discard Opurity Multivitamin, consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.